Are you tired of working paycheck to paycheck? What if your money could work for you, even while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you how to build real passive income through smart investments, all tailored for the US market. Let's dive in. What is passive income? First, let's break it down. Passive income is money earned with little to no daily effort once the initial setup is done. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a powerful way to build financial freedom. Top passive income investments in the US. Number 1, dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. Companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Johnson & Johnson pay shareholders regularly just for owning their stock. Use platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab to get started. Number 2, real estate investments. Ever heard of making money in your sleep with real estate? Whether it's renting out property or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate can generate steady income. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it easy to invest without buying a physical home. Number 3, high-yield savings and bonds. Not a fan of stocks? Try U.S. Treasury bonds or high-yield savings accounts. They won't make you rich overnight, but they offer steady, low-risk returns. Check out banks like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs for great rates. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper and Lending Club let you lend money to others for a solid return, just like a bank. But remember, there's always some risk involved. Number 5, creating digital assets. Write a book, create an online course, or sell stock photos. Websites like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, Udemy, and Shutterstock allow you to earn passive income from your creations. So, how do you begin? 3 steps you should follow. First, set financial goals. How much passive income do you want to make each month? Second, pick an investment type based on your risk tolerance and capital. And the third one, start small and reinvest your earnings. Growth compounds over time. Passive income won't make you rich overnight, but with patience and smart investments, you can create long-term wealth. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite passive income method? See you in the next video.